Small money mistakes are making us all broke. Let's change that right now. These money mistakes are just too costly to ignore. First up, impulse buying. That late-night Amazon spree? Yeah, it adds up. Instead, sleep on it before you click buy now. If you wait 24 hours, there's an 85–95% chance you won't buy it at all. It's proven that only 5 to 15% of people actually return to complete a purchase after the impulse fades, making this one of the most powerful psychological patterns in consumer behavior: impulse versus intention. Next, not having a budget. It's like driving blindfolded. Track your spending. There are apps for that. Third, ignoring savings. It's easy to think, I'll save later. Saving $5 a day for a year is $18–25 a year, almost 20 grand in 10 years. Trust me, later becomes never. Start small, even if it's just a few quid a week. Lastly, high-interest debt. Credit cards can be a trap. It's nice to have that money right now, but the interests are not helping. It feels amazing in the moment. Like, wow, I just bought a whole couch and didn't lose a cent in my bank account. But 3 weeks later, that couch actually cost you $400 more. It's like borrowing money from a very quiet but extremely petty friend who charges you interest every single day you don't pay them back, and then reminds you monthly with a detailed PDF. So yeah, having the money now feels great. But those interests? They're not helping. They're just hanging around, stacking up like you're building a loyalty program. Avoid new debt. As tempting as a new credit card offer might be for extra cash, focus on using and paying what you already have. Try to cut out on small items. Walk instead of taking the bus or underground. Cut down on the coffee. As small as the amount might seem right now, it adds up. Skipping buying 3 coffees a week over 4 months is $192. Get a good cold press, a great container, and your coffee to go. Pay off the highest interest first because it's costing you the most every single day. The longer you carry it, the more you pay. Not just in money, but in time and mental space. List all your debts by interest rate, not balance. Focus all extra payments on the highest one. Make minimum payments on the rest to stay current. Use any extra cash, from cutting small daily expenses or windfalls, to accelerate payoff. So let's recap. Think before you buy, use a budget or a list to keep you on track. Save now, and tackle that debt. Small changes can make a big difference. Which one of these habits hits home for you? Drop it in the comments. Tag someone who really needs to hear this. Let's all stop being broke together.